Okay, so just to show that I'm not crazy, I have switched cables and tried various things. I had several times when this didn't connect, but finally it did. And now you see the Apple CarPlay button right here. And you click that, and now you are able to do all kinds of CarPlay functions, such as music. When you go to music, you're now looking at, you know, my playlists, and I can scroll through and see all of the songs and compilations that are on my phone, which is much better than the user interface outside of using the Apple CarPlay feature. So this is quite good. You can even go to Google Maps, and I just installed Waze, so it looks like you can use Waze as well as Google Maps or Apple Maps. And all this is great, but the problem is that 7 times out of 10 this Apple CarPlay button is not coming up because the USB cable refuses to say that it's connecting. It's a strange issue in inconsistency, but at least this shows you what it should look like when it's working properly. Now,